Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to replace your Lenovo laptop hard drives. And in our case, we are going to go ahead and you should power off your laptop. And this is a Lenovo IdeaPad. Then when you reach this point, you have to unlock. Remove this to unlock, then remove the hard drive. Then you put it aside. Then you have to open here and remove the screws, as I've removed the screws in order to speed up the process. So you have to use a screwdriver to unscrew all the pins. So in my case, I've unscrewed everything. The next step, I'm going to go ahead and use my nail. And when I use my nail, you could use anything in case you don't have long nails like me. Then remove and pop out the cover and then put it aside. So this is where we find our hard disk, and this is the memory. And in our case, you're going to go ahead and slide this hard drive, and you have to fix in a new one in case the one that works very well. And sometimes if the laptop falls down, the hard disk may get problems. So this was the previous hard drive which was there, which is fake, and it was very slow. I think it was stolen when they are going to change Windows. So this is what I put, Samsung hard drive, which is working very well. So in my case, I'll slide it back in, and I'll have to go ahead and cover the laptop again in order so that we don't get any issues with our laptop. So in this process, you have to put everything in position. Then after you screw the computer, then after you press back the battery, then the next step is to check if the hard drive is working. In our case, ours has Windows on it. And when you power on, the laptop will go on and to start loading Windows. And this is the hard disk, which is very fast, and this will boot within a second or three. So thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe. And this is how to change hard drives on your Lenovo ThinkPad, Lenovo IdeaPad in our case. So thanks for watching. Please comment if you have any issues, and also make sure you click the bell icon in order to get notified whenever I upload new videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Goodbye.